Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the ear tip fit test for your AirPods Pro so that you can have the best seal in order to get the maximum sound quality out of your AirPods Pro and the best active noise cancellation that you can get from these small earphones. So let's begin the test. So here are my AirPods Pro as well as my iPhone in which they are paired with. So the first thing that you need to do is to enable Bluetooth, obviously. So once you have enabled Bluetooth, you're not going to see the fit ear test option right away. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to open the lid of your AirPods Pro, and now here on your iPhone all you need to do, first of all, it's going to show the battery percentage. Anyways, you're going to open the settings on your iPhone, you're going to go to Bluetooth, and here it will show your AirPods Pro. So mine is Wasay's AirPods Pro, and you can see it's showing the status that it is connected, and I have not closed the lid of the AirPods. So we're going to press on this little circle with the eye, and here it's going to show different options, so you can rename it and all the things. The thing we are interested is here, ear tip fit test. So we're going to press on it. So it says test the fit of your ear tips audio quality. A good seal will improve overall audio quality with deeper bass and richer low frequencies. A good seal will keep noise from leaking in or out, resulting in better noise cancellation. So basically the ear tip test is to make the noise cancellation much better, as no noise can enter your ears. So I have used their noise cancellation feature, and I'm really impressed by the things or the quality they give out from the size of these AirPods Pro. Anyways, we're going to press on continue. So first of all, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to plug these AirPods Pro onto my ear. So once I have placed them on my ear, now I'm going to press on this play button, and it's going to run a test sound. And here you can see it says ear tip result. Both the AirPods is having a good seal, as you can see, left good seal, right good seal. So I'm using the medium ear tips that come pre-installed with your AirPods, but if it is not a good seal, the first thing that you can do is to move them a little bit further, and if it still not works, then your AirPods Pro come with these different size seals as well. So maybe you can replace them with these smaller ones or the larger ones, it mainly depends. So all you're going to do, if it is not a good seal, first of all you're going to move a little bit and retry the test. If it works, then it's okay, but if it is still not a good test, then you're going to remove those ear tips that are on your earpod, and you're going to replace them with one of these, whichever suits you. So here is an example for a bad seal. You can see that the left one is a good seal, whereas on the right one it says adjust or try a different tip. So all I'm going to do is to just put it back in its place, and now I'm going to again run the test. And now you can see that it is a good seal. So mainly again you need to first try to move them a little bit, but if it still not works, then try replacing the tips and rerun the test, and hopefully you're going to get the best ear tips for your ears. So that's all. Now we're just going to press on done, and we're done with the ear tip fit test for your AirPods Pro. So this is how simple it is. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And I have already made an unboxing video of these AirPods Pro as well. If you're interested, then a box should appear on the side as well, so you can click on there and go watch that video. Other than that, consider subscribing to my channel, and that's all. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.